Hey YouTube, it's GV Lone Guy. I just got a comment from somebody named Programmed Mind, and they wanted to know what's the website to look at for this video that I had on Comet Lovejoy. So I went over here to basically get the link, which I will post down below this video, which I'm sending to Programmed Mind. But when I was there, I decided to, as I was trying to find which camera to be looking at, turns out it's LASCO C3 on the SOHO Satellite. I looked at I just looked at a couple of days worth of stuff to see, just to make sure this was the right one. And you know, in my usual manner, I like to pick up a couple of days worth and then speed it up, because you can really see lots of effects speeded up that you can't see any other way. So here's this one speeded up a little bit. Whoa, that's what caught my attention right there. Look at that. That's a major amount of, I think they call it solar wind. Apparently on the 23rd, we had a blast, a big CME that came right out of here, right out of the sun, and came shooting straight towards us, which is right here. Ooh, boom. It's also, I think, called a halo CME, because it went all around at the same time. So anyway, just keep an eye on it. I'll play it through a couple times. You can get a look at this thing. There it is, and boy, it just comes right at us so quick. It's just kind of fascinating. Let me play it a little bit faster, so it'll go through a couple times. It goes through the 25th, which is today. Started on the 22nd. Wow. Man. Anyway, I thought you'd like to look at that. That is a lot of stuff. I'm going to back it up a little bit. I just reversed it, so now it's going to go backwards at this speed. I want to get into the 23rd and see when it comes out at us. Look at that. Here it comes. Back it up again. It just blasts us. Boom. And then immediately it's right at the SOHO camera. See, SOHO's camera is positioned directly between us and the sun. So here's the sun, basically like we're back here. SOHO's here, you know, I mean, it's just directly in between us and the sun. And the fact that this thing blasts, let me go back there again. I want to see how long it takes between the time of the Halo CME. How long does it take before we actually start seeing this stuff? At the camera, right at the camera here. Alright, hold on, I gotta stop this here. Step it back down here. Alright, so there's the CME. I'd have to say that probably took place right here at about on January 23rd at 3:06. This is what used to be called GMT. So anyway, here we go. Let me step through this forward now and see how long it takes. This is at 3:06. Here's the blast, and then almost, look at that, like 3 hours later. I'm telling you, there had to be some high solar wind speed involved in this thing. Anyway, this one, I think there's some videos out about this. I just like to take this particular perspective to go ahead and play things that are kind of time-lapsed over a period of a few days. So I'm going to go back and create one now. What I also like to do is get a full 7 days worth on Last Go See 2. So that's the next thing. Talk to you later.